welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new wig for you guys from Eva Wigs. If you have not seen my first wig that I reviewed by Eva Wigs, I will put that up here. The wig is bomb, it's fabulous, and I'm in love with this one as well. So if you are interested in what I got to say, how I feel about it, all the specs and details, just keep on watching. So I am wearing the Kinky Straight Brazilian hair wig. It is in the color natural black. It is 22 inches long and is 130% density. And also the lace, the part line is 4.5 inches. My cap size is a large and the lace color is medium brown. So if you didn't catch all that, I will put everything down in the description box as well for you so that you'll have it. So first off, you guys, love this wig, love this hair. It's perfect for all my natural girls. The hair is absolutely beautiful. It's definitely meant for my natural girls who just want to do a really great protective styling but do not want like the silky hair and all that kind of stuff. You just want to stick with like, you know, natural looking hair, and this definitely looks like and feels like just a blowout on natural African American hair. The cap size is perfect for me. It's very comfortable. I do have it in a size large, but you are able to customize it yourself or get like small, medium, or custom, you know, cap size. The lace color is fine. The hair itself is absolutely it's beautiful. It's super soft, you guys. I can't really keep my hands out of it, and I definitely, if you can't tell by my videos, I have when I really like a wig, and I think maybe with all of my wigs, I have a like hand and hair problem. I got hand and hair syndrome. It just feels really nice. It feels like a blowout on natural hair. I do highly recommend putting some heat to it just to knock out a little bit of those kinks and just to flatten it just a bit, because it is 130% density, and it's just it's a little bit of a lot of hair in my opinion. So it kind of needs a little bit of heat to it just to flatten it out, just to make it look a little bit more realistic as well. I've got no tangles, only maybe just very minimum of shedding. My wig so far from these companies with shedding has been really great, and Eva Wigs is really awesome with their wigs, period. You definitely get what you pay for with them, and you definitely get really great quality. Eva Wigs is for sure one of my top companies that I would recommend for hair. So I didn't really go in on baby hair with this wig like I normally do with my other wigs, because I do like me some edges, I do like me some baby hair and all that kind of stuff, simply because I wanted to keep it as natural as possible. And I know if I were to blow dry my own hair right now and straighten it and then try and lay my edges down within about a couple minutes, they wouldn't even like, they would probably look just like this. And this is actually like a mix of my hair with the wig as well. So I tried to just keep it a little bit like more on the natural side than I ever have, just in case you're not really into all the baby hair and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, you guys, that's really it for this video. I'm just getting good feels and good vibes, and I feel really good because I think I kind of just feel like more like myself because I am natural, and I'm like not walking around with this like super silky or curly hair and stuff. Not that I'm saying like those wigs and that hair isn't great and all, because I do like everything. I don't know how to explain it. I just kind of feel more like myself in this wig, and I hope you guys like it. That's it. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please put them down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at jmarie, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.